Alright, random vlog. Since it's Sunday, tomorrow's Labor Day, and I don't have to go to work, so I'm filming extra videos this weekend. But yeah, I guess I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. Damon just hit me up and was like, hey, you want to go do a shoot? I was like, yeah, sure. I haven't been doing a lot of car stuff lately since I've been working so much. And I guess I'm going to meet him downtown with Quentin. I don't know if you remember him. We're probably gonna go take some pictures and do some car stuff or whatever. So yeah, random vlog. I guess we're gonna take pictures and stuff. I got the new headlights in, so I do want to get some pictures for like Instagram and stuff to post to that because they look absolutely sick. So let's go.
Please leave your message for 47390.
He said turn the lights on. Hey, you know I've been calling you, right?
Huh?
You know I've been calling you, right?
Oh, my phone's in a complaint. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, you have, huh?
You bum.
It's on vibrate.
I just happened to come up here because I just figured this where y'all might be.
Bro, them things look good.
Yeah, I know.
Dang. So do the little ones work?
What, the blinkers? Yeah, those are the blinkers. I didn't wire those up yet.
Oh, you hadn't wired them up?
Uh-uh.
Bro, so how do you... It's not hot. Nah, it's actually not that. It's just really, like, I'm sweating standing here. It's not really sweat. It's like, it's the water in the air just attaching to my body. What's up?
I don't know how I knew
to come
y'all
up
were gonna be up here. I just came up here.
I didn't know to come. I just figured this is where he'd be because I see him.
Yeah, I just happened to come up here and there y'all are. Man, that car looks so much better than mine now. I got work to do.
I gotta redo the flares.
Why?
Professionally.
What's wrong with them?
I don't know. I don't like how they came out.
You mean the paint?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't like how they came out. I mean, for now, it's okay.
You gotta be standing like right here.
Yeah.
Like, I was gonna take pictures, but since the famous photographer is taking them, I'm just gonna steal his.
What is he doing?
Hey, bust me a piece of that gum.
Oh, out like today or? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Appreciate it. You're shooting my car too, right?
Say what?
Shooting my car too, right?
Do you want your car shot?
How much you charge?
Say what?
How much you charge?
I don't know, man.
Cause I ain't got no money at all.
You join the club.
I ain't even gonna lie.
You can join the club, man.
It's dirty anyway, don't even worry about it.
Say what?
It's dirty anyway, don't even worry about it. I just sprayed some water on it and came over here.
Really?
It's gonna be dirty right back when I go to work again anyway. I didn't even care.
How many times have you gone through like this 6-month period from like summer, from like June to now? Not even 6 months.
About like 6 or 7.
What?
That's what I'm trying to fix it, so I won't have to. Like,
bags,
nope.
Bags.
I ain't doing bags. Never doing
You'll
bags.
thank us later.
Say what?
You'll thank us later.
What you mean?
Why don't you like bags?
Personal preference.
I can accept that.
Like maybe one day, yeah, but not right now.
Bump that nigga, I'm getting bags. I'm not tearing my lip off that I had to buy from Japan and all that crap. Nope.
See, that's like my front lip has been through hell and it's still holding up pretty good. I've literally dug that shit in the ground and then crack or nothing.
Yeah.
I'm not taking that chance.
Even with bags, like I was telling old dude, I still broke my lip coming out of Jacksonville.
Yep. Pandem parts are not cheap. I know.
8 Jacksonville's interstate up.
Yeah,
We drug it half through the county.
I really hope they fix that before we go back down there again.
I didn't know it broke. So it's like we were just driving, and when we got to a rest stop, it was like hanging underneath my car.
All right, well, we're heading to another little Stance Boy photo shoot spot. Should be nice. It's kind of like a loading dock type area. It's kind of industrial looking, so that should be cool. It's like 2 minutes away from here, so yep, let's go. All right, spot number 2. I thought it'd be kind of cool since we both have Hot Boy headlight mods now to get a picture of both of them.
Oh wait, I gotta leave my lights on.
Yeah, you gotta turn them on.
That's right.
Since we both got headlight mods, I was gonna try to like snap a couple of pics of both of them together. I thought it'd be kind of cool. I don't know. Might be crap. I don't know. We'll see.
Oh.
Still not on. God, this train would be coming by while I'm trying to film a video. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, mine got like an intro. They're like a cool light.
Yeah. Nice. I think I've got enough pictures and footage of that, so I'm gonna go see what these bums are talking about. So I'm currently just scoping out more spots, and yeah, this looks promising, or like maybe like this little spot right here. I'm not sure, but also this alleyway. Either one, they all look promising. I think the Mon's gonna pull up in here. I don't know if I am, but I think that's what they're talking about doing. I hope my battery doesn't die before we're done doing shenanigans. I guess he's gonna try to pull over there. It's gonna be sketchy though, that's for sure. I can tell just by looking at it. That thing looks so good. Ah! Backing up. Backing up. Oh wait, not backing up. Backing up. Backing up.
Backing up. Backing up. Backing up.
Oh God. You're good from now on. Lord have mercy, I just forgot where I am. If any of you are from Macon, you know leaving your car running with the keys in it unattended is a bad idea. Which I almost just did. Like an idiot. I'm actually just gonna move it like back there where I can see it down the alleyway. And then take the keys out, because that could have been a catastrophe. Well, you know. Oh yeah, now that's definitely the spot. Focus. That little shaded tree. Oh my God, this is perfect.
Yeah, I'm like straight this way. Alright.
Look at the professional.
I really get jiggy with backhands. This tank in the back in the gas can. Acid don't fuck with my CAT scan. Don't be afraid of this black man. Don't be afraid of my mask then. Came from the dark on my dad's.
So as you can see, sketchy as it was, I made it up this hill. It's way steeper in like real life than it looks on video. But yeah. Can you imagine? This is what people in San Francisco have to deal with all the time. I don't know how they do it. I couldn't live like this. whole life. Just live your whole life on a 45-degree angle. Oh crap, let me cut the lights back on and get some pics. Alright, spot number 3, which is literally like 30 seconds away. It's like, no, not even that much. We were right over there. You can see Q's car. Yeah, this little spot is dope because it's like under this old, I don't even know if this used to be a bridge or what it is, but it's dope. But this is gonna be a nice spot. I like the composition of this whole area, and I probably should have backed my car up in there too, but you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try that. It's right in that little area right there. All right, so I just got word from Damon that there's another even more Stancey boy that's in town. He's from Atlanta down here. He's even more Stancey than both of us are put together. So like his Civic, he has a Civic and it's sick. It's like better, it's a better build than me or Damon's car, to be completely honest with you. It's sick. You'll see it in a second. It's like he's like right down the street, which is a huge coincidence because he's not even from here, but he just happened to be down there. So we're gonna go meet up with him real quick and check out his car. And there they are at me and Damon's old spot. I don't know if you guys remember, but for Tuner Evo Daytona last year, we came over to this little spot to take some pics, and it actually came out really good. But I don't know who this guy is. I don't know any of these guys actually, but I guess I'm about to meet him. He knows him now. Well, this thing is sick. Don't know who that is, but welcome to Macon, where they kill people for fun. Let's go check out what's in here. I don't know how these guys got it. Oh wait, they had to do the wood just like we did a year ago when Damon had trouble getting in. I don't know if I got clips of that or not, but yeah. I was about to say that was a little bit steep, but they made it. It's dark in here. Can't really see, but that's a BMW. And then that's the Civic I was telling you about.
Yeah, you good? Both of them? Nah. Yeah. All in one.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Yeah, that's nasty.
My heart. Oh God, I haven't heard it since he last.
That thing is nasty.
Oh my Jesus, he makes my car sound like crap.
Like I was just telling the people in the video, like this car is like nicer than both of ours.
Both of ours.
And I've never heard it actually run before.
He doesn't drive it, that's why.
Wow, that thing's nasty.
Oh, hold on.
Catch your breath.
That sounded.
We're right down the street from the hospital, just in case.
I want some gum. I had to change my gum for that.
Oh, that's clean. That's kind of how I want to do mine. It's like a really clean and still usable.
So, okay, I see what you see. What it is? I see what you did. Yeah. So when you go to drain your tank, you just have to take it back off of that, or what?
No. My drainage thing is on the other side.
Okay.
I just hold it. Just drain it.
Okay.
This man got a carbon fiber dash.
Let me wipe that off.
We got the carbon pocket over there too.
I see. This is crazy.
Yeah, we got the carbon trim too. Any carbon shift now, bro. That's how we do it.
That's nice. That is nice. I remember this thing with this little black car. You used to take up there to Sonic in gray.
That's right. I'm not taking pictures. I do videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is nasty.
Onis!
400?
Yeah. You want to race for pink?
Yeah.
Let me go ahead of you first. Like, let me get a car link first.
Oh, they've been hauling ass though.
I don't doubt it.
Q, I need all these pictures.
Say what?
I need all these pictures.
Like that one?
Oh yeah, definitely that one. I got pictures I took out here for like a year ago and I never posted them, but that looks better than everything
I like
did.
that. Go back. I like that one. Hell yeah.
I'm gonna put your.
I'm not a professional. I just shoot pictures.
Whatever. I'm putting.
I'm
your,
not a-
I'm gonna put your Instagram thing in like the video somewhere.
Oh my God.
All right, so I'm back home. I know this is kind of like a random-ish video, but I guess that's just kind of the nature of doing vlogs or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it right here and go in here and go to sleep because I'm really tired for some reason. But yeah, if you like these videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And guys who have liked and subscribed, I deeply appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next one. So yeah, bye.